Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to talk about window tinting, and particularly I would like to give you some information about Panorama Slate Window Film. So here is we have a Panorama Slate installed on the glass. Technically I just put the samples for you to see visually how each of them looks. So let's start from the darkest. We're gonna have a slate tan. This window film has visible light transmittance of 13%, which means only 13% of the light goes through this film. It obviously blocks 99% of UV, and total solar energy rejected is 76%. This is comparing to a single glass pane. We have a double pane here, so it's around 66-65% of the solar heat blocked with this film. The other very good thing about this film is that it's very high reflective on the exterior, and you can use it for one-way, like a one-way mirror film for daytime privacy. All right, so let's say if we had installed Slate 10 on this panel over here, so people on the exterior would not be able to see inside. All right, but at the nighttime, once we have a light on, obviously people can see in. The other film that we have in this series is Panorama Slate 20. Slate 20 is also dual reflective window film, and it has 23% of the light transmittance. All right, so it's about 80% of light will be blocked, and if you have a glare problem in your space, it's too much sunlight, you can use this film to block that glare. All right, so we can see comparing to the sun how it's blocking it. All right, so the next film that we have is going to be Slate 30. Slate 30 is, we have visible light transmittance of 30%, so about 70% of light is blocked and it's not coming into your room. Ultraviolet block is 99%, as all of the films that we have, and total solar energy rejected is 62%. 62% on a single glass pane. It's a really good for a window film like this. It's not too dark, but it obviously on the dark side of the tints, and I would say it's very popular film here in New York. We recently did very nice office with this film, and I may just show you later how did it turn out. All right, so then the lightest film in the Slate series is going to be Slate 40. As you can see, Slate 40 is 44% visible light transmittance, which means 56% of light is blocked. All right, UV light blocked is 99%, as all of the films, and total solar energy rejected is about 53. So what you want to expect from this film once you install it, so it's about 45 to 50% of heat will be blocked. All right, all of these films have limited lifetime warranty for residential, and I believe it's 16 years commercial warranty. All right, so this is Panorama Slate series. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.